Craving something tasty? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to spot for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Discover dishes that are elegant yet affordable. Perfect for any occasion. Ready to whip up something amazing? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Let's get cooking.
Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something truly special for you. We're diving into a healthy and delicious recipe that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Sweet potato and black bean enchiladas. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Alright, let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, about a can of black beans, 1 small onion, minced garlic, some corn tortillas, and of course, enchilada sauce. Oh, and don't forget your favorite spices. I'm talking cumin, chili powder, and a pinch of paprika. Ready to cook? Let's go. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, peel and dice your sweet potatoes into small cubes. Toss them into a pot of boiling water and let them cook until they're fork tender, about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's work on the filling. In a large skillet, heat up a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add in your chopped onion and minced garlic. Saute until the onion is translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Now, stir in your cooked sweet potatoes and black beans. Sprinkle in your spices, cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Give it all a good mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Your kitchen should be smelling amazing by now. Next up, it's assembly time. Lay out your corn tortillas and spoon a generous amount of the sweet potato and black bean mixture onto each one. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in a baking dish. Once all your tortillas are snug in the dish, pour the enchilada sauce evenly over the top. Make sure every tortilla is covered. This is where the magic happens. Pop that dish into your preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes. While we wait, it's a good time to prep some toppings. Chopped cilantro, diced avocado, a squeeze of lime. These will take your enchiladas to the next level. And there we have it. Your sweet potato and black bean enchiladas are ready to be devoured. Serve them up hot and garnish with your chosen toppings. Each bite is a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and a little bit of spice. It's a healthy, satisfying meal that's perfect for any night of the week. So, what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way. Happy cooking, everyone! See you next time. Now, let's talk a bit more about why this recipe is so fantastic. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Black beans, on the other hand, are rich in protein and add a wonderful texture to the dish. The combination of these 2 ingredients creates a hearty and satisfying filling that is both flavorful and nutritious. Plus, the spices we added, cumin, chili powder, and paprika, bring a depth of flavor that makes these enchiladas truly irresistible. And let's not forget the enchilada sauce. It ties everything together, adding a tangy and slightly spicy kick that complements the sweetness of the potatoes and the earthiness of the beans. When you take that first bite, you'll experience a symphony of flavors and textures. The creamy avocado and fresh cilantro add a burst of freshness, while the lime juice cuts through the richness, balancing the dish perfectly. This recipe is also incredibly versatile. You can easily customize it to suit your taste. Add some cheese if you like, or throw in some extra veggies like bell peppers or corn. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. A delicious, healthy, and easy-to-make meal that will impress your family and friends. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the flavors transport you to a world of culinary delight. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. Don't be afraid to make this recipe your own. And if you do, be sure to share your creations with us. We love seeing how you put your unique spin on our recipes. So, what are you waiting for? Get into the kitchen and start cooking. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to see you next time with another delicious recipe. Happy cooking, everyone. See you next time. Bye for now.
Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, the ultimate destination for food enthusiasts and aspiring chefs alike. At Culinary Recipe Creations, we're passionate about the art of cooking, and we're here to inspire, educate, and entertain you with a wide array of mouth-watering recipes and culinary tips. What you can expect: diverse and delicious recipes, Our channel is a treasure trove of diverse culinary creations, ranging from quick and easy weeknight dinners to gourmet dishes that will impress even the most discerning foodies. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, you'll find recipes that suit your skill level and tantalize your taste buds. Step-by-step tutorials. We believe that anyone can be a great cook with the right guidance. That's why we provide detailed, step-by-step tutorials for each recipe. Join us on this culinary adventure and let's create amazing recipes together. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Click that notification bell for more delightful and tasty recipe dishes from all over the world. Sit back, relax, and leave the cooking details and preparation to us at Culinary Recipe Creations channel.